we're going to make woolly Santas today. Like this little fella here. Is nice, very cute, isn't he? It's very easy to do, and we're going to use a little bit of teamwork today doing it. Okay, so I'll just leave him sitting there. You're going to need some yarn. I have 6 shorter pieces. It doesn't, like 7 or 8 inches, it's fine. I have one length here which is about 2 yards long, and I have another one which is 5 yards long. I also have a piece of card that I've cut 3 inches on the short side and 7 inches on the long side. It helps when you're making the arms and the legs. Right. So what we'll do first, we'll get the 2 yard piece, bring the top up like that, and just wind it around. Do it close to the end because you're going to be taking this off the cardboard. Now, and then you just move it off to one side. Sheila, if you want to take one of those,
I will.
You might give me a hand here. It just makes it a little bit easier. So I'm going to hold the very end of it. You're going to put that around and make a double knot. We're tying off his hands. Okay. Can you reach there?
I can.
Great. So 1 knot and and 2 knots. Okay, now I'm going to do the same on the other side. Just give it a good stretch.
Okay, ready?
And 2. No. Now, if I give that to you, will you cut off the little bits that are sticking out and just tidy them up a little bit? Now, we'll find the end of this. This is the 5 yard piece, and I'm going to go on the long side this time. So put that up to the top and right round, and really do the same thing again as we did for the arms. Trying not to get it to knot on me.
That's all right.
Okay. Now, and then just push it off. And same thing again, if you want to take one of the little pieces of wool,
tie him off.
And you just tie off. This is his feet we're tying off at the moment. You can do this on your own, but it's much easier doing it with somebody else.
That's 1 foot.
And if you're a caregiver and you're working with somebody, it's a good way to get them to hold it, and you tie it off if they're maybe not able to do it by themselves.
And the second one.
Okay. Now. So you get the scissors now and just cut them off. And those 2. Now, need another piece of wool. And I'm going to fold this in half. Just put my little finger in there. Make sure the legs are the same length, and just pinch the top. This is his head that we're tying off now.
Again, we'll put the 2 knots.
Yeah. Okay, and we can cut that.
Okay.
We'll trim as we go. Yeah. Now, it's like that. Now we're going to get the arms for them. And we're going to put the arms in. See, open that up. Put the arms in between. Like that. And then we're going to just pull the arms up good and tight. And try and get the knots all to the one side, and that could be the back of the Santi. So pull them up and then tie them off at waist height. Just below.
A little bit further down?
No, just below the arms, as tight to the arms as you can, and that way they won't come out.
This is his body.
That's his body.
Now, I'll show him. Now,
the bit's sticking out down there, so we'll trim that off.
We'll get him off.
Okay, do you want to take this fella? You can spread his head out a little bit.
Yeah.
Now, I have one here that I started earlier on, so it's at the same stage as yours. Now, I have a little piece of red felt here. To get the shape, I got a glass, put it onto my piece of felt, drew around it, cut the circle, and then you can cut it in half and then cut off a little wedge.
Okay.
It's just to make a pyramid type of hat, and then it'll be folded in like that and stitched up and be put on his head. Okay, so we have needle and thread here. So what I'll do first, I'll just put it up through the top like that, so that the little knot is on the inside, and then fold it over, just overlapping like that, and a running stitch going down. When you get to the bottom, maybe just put a little extra stitch in there just to hold it. Now, we're going to put it on his head. Leave the thread on it. You see which is front, that's the front. Put it over his face, like that. Go from the back, right through all the yarn on his head, right to the front, and just back down again.
Right through the hat?
Right through the hat and through the wool in the, and then just tie it off at the end. Little double knot here. Okay. Put that off. Now I'm going to make a hanging for him. So we have a little bit of embroidery thread here. So just go through the top with it. It's easier said than done. And pull the thread out, or pull the needle out, and make a little knot in the top.
Just through his hat again?
Yeah, just through the top of his head. This is for hanging him in the tree. Just cut off the excess there as well. Just pull that knot down to the back of his, that's the front, the back of his hat. And that's him finished. But if you wanted to decorate him further, you could get a little bit of cotton wool maybe. Just a very small piece. You give him a beard.
Well, Santi has to have a beard anyway.
He does have to have a beard, so we need some glue. See if that's open. That's it. So just a little dab of glue in the back of the cotton wool. Do you want it?
I'll put a little.
You want to put a beard on yours? And just stick it in there.
Okay.
A big long beard, I think.
I'll take off a little bit.
And you could decorate this further if you wanted to stick. You did one earlier on with a star on his
I
hat,
did.
didn't you? I think it's. Have you got a star there? We can put one on.
I have. There's a little star just coming off there for you.
That's grand. Thank you. So you could just give him a star on his head if you want to.
There we go. And you lovely.
Little woolly Santis. Have fun. Bye for now.